what's up today? I'm in the kitchen right now cooking an early lunch. What I did a one pot situation. Right now I got the chicken browning up, and I'm going to, let me show. I saved like the marinade that it was sitting in. This right here I already put some in there. That's I think it was orange, yellow, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, cilantro, and onion in there. I'm gonna add the rest in a minute. I'm gonna chop some garlic in there. I'm gonna add some of this in there. See the rice there? I'm gonna wash them sitting on the side. Yeah, that's a quick one too, because I don't plan on being in the kitchen too long and I want to eat. So now I feel like the chicken brown up enough. I'm gonna go ahead and start to add everything to it, and I'll be back. Anyway, the nature of this meal is just to be able to make something out of nothing and just throw some lunch together. Gonna still be good, great, edible, digestible. Yeah. And like I said, the marinade that was in a red bowl. The rest of the green seasoning, I threw some garlic in there, and I'm about to throw the vegetables in there and the rice, so everything will cook in one bowl. So I'm gonna try it together and then come back and show you how it look before I go ahead and cover the pot and let it do it. Some of this in there, just a touch of it. That also helps to round out the flavor, if you know what I mean. I don't have no thyme. I didn't have no fresh cilantro, you know, to judge it up a bit more, but the flavor profile is definitely there. It feels good already. Now it just needs to throw a little bit more water in there. Throw a little bit more water. Yeah, so that's it. I line the water steam out a little bit more, and ain't nothing else left to do but cover it and let it do its thing. So I can come back, I guess, when it finish and show you. Yeah, later. Okay, back again to show you finished product. The one pot is it. Baby, that rice. Oh my days. For me, the rice is the best part. I could eat a whole bowl of it. I would have liked to eat this with a green salad, but me and a green salad. And I can put second, yeah. Absolutely. Oh, boy. So I'm gonna finish much of this and go back for more. And that's it for me for my day. I'll be back. But yeah, let me know what y'all was up to for Labor Day and all. I didn't. Yeah, like I said, it rained most of the day yesterday. It's still raining right now. I think it's supposed to rain like all week, which is fine. I love it. And this we got to sleep in. So I'm gonna finish watching my Netflix show. I'm watching the Terminator something animated show on Netflix while eating my lunch. Yeah, so let me know what y'all up to, what I do for our Labor Day. Talk to me down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch my nose running. Because I put hot pepper sauce. Yeah, so don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what I do for our Labor Day weekend. Yeah, like and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.